Good morning, student, and welcome in the social science class. Today we will discuss our new chapter, chapter 21, and the name of the chapter is Advertising and Democracy. In this chapter, we are going to discuss the effect of the advertising in our daily life and also the effect of the advertising in democracy. So in this chapter we are going to discuss a major point, that is the advertisement, social and the public advertising, effect of the advertising and democracy, consumerism, and the main feature of the consumerism. So let's start with the advertising. So today we are surrounded by advertisement or the ads as we call them. We watch these on television, listen to them on radio, see them on the street and in a newspaper and the magazine. Even taxis and the rickshaw carry the advertisement on them. When we go to a cinema or watch a movie on television, before it the film begin, we see the advertisement, or on the internet they often pop up when we go into a different website. So what is the advertisement? What do the advertisement do? How do they attract our attention? So advertisement is a powerful medium. It pursued the customer to purchase a particular product or a service by describing its good points. So advertisement is the promotion of a product, brand, or the services in order to attract the interest, engagement, and the sale. In short, we can see that the advertisement is a source through which companies encourage people to buy their products, services, or the idea. And how they do that? By draw our attention to the various products and describing them positively so that we can become interested in buying them. Now a huge amount of the money also spent such kind of the advertisement to motivate the customer to buy the product. For this, for example, a mother is always shown using a particular brand of flour or a rice which make her family smile as they eat them. The message is driven home to the public that if they want a happy and a healthy family, then they should also use only a particular brand of flour or the rice. So now I use another word, another term, that is a brand. Have you ever heard of the word brand? Definitely you hear. Advertising is all about building brand. A brand means stamping a product with a particular name or a sign. As I have shown in this picture, there are a different product that we seen on the internet, watch on the TV, and also we buy a lot of product from the market like Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola and Pepsi, they look alike but both have the different name. Then McDonald's burger, or Apple phone, Microsoft, Google, everything have a different name, different stamp or a sign. So brand means stamping a product with a particular name or sign which help to differentiate the product from the rest product of the market. So this is done in order to differentiate it from the other product in the market. So I hope the brand is clear to you. Now let's move to the next. Now what is the objective of the advertisement? So advertisement, the objective of the advertisement is to convince the consumer to use their brand of the product. Like we see a different kind of the toothpaste ads like Colgate, Closer, Pepsodent, or we see the different ads of the mobile phone or the chocolates or the scooties or the different vehicles or the another accessory that we need. And such advertisement create an associated picture of the success and happiness in the customer mind, and hence they become the loyal to a particular brand. Now there are a lot of brand in a market that create the confusion in the consumer. There is a big competition in a market among various brand. Each propagate its benefit. Then how does the consumer decide which one to buy? For this, the manufacturing companies step further by providing attractive visuals and jingle in his advertisement to make them catchy. Now I have used the word jingle. Jingles means slogan. or some lines that, or the song, little bit song word that we listen or hear in a ad, like in a close up ad, in a close up toothpaste ad, there is a jingle that is kya aap close up karte hain. Or in a washing powder ad, washing powder Nirma, and like melody itni chocolatey kyun hai. So jingles are some slogan that we hear with the advertisement. And even advertising through the star also create brand loyalty. Often several of our cricketer heroes and favorite film stars, like I have shown in this picture, like these shoes are in this ad we can see the Neil Nitin Mukesh as a hero who's selling the shoes, or the cricketer uh, giving the positive point of the Pepsi, or the Scooty ad Alia Bhatt. So many time, often our cricketer heroes or the favorite film star also try and sell product to us through advertisement. We may feel tempted to buy these products by because person whom we consider our hero tell us that they are the worth buying. In addition, advertisement often show us image of the lifestyle of the rich people and seldom show us the reality of the people life that we see around us. So advertisement play a very big role in our life. It affect our life. We not only buy the product based on them, but often having certain brand product influence the way in which we think about ourselves. So in this way, the manufacturing company sell their product and motivate and attract the customers. So now next point is social or the public services advertising. Now what is the social and the public services advertising? The social and public services advertising is another type of the advertising that has carved an important place of itself. It is a social or public services advertising means applying marketing and advertising principle to promote health and social issues. It aims to change the attitude and behavior of the public and bring about positive change in the society, like advertising campaign for the polio drops, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan. Means social advertising means which help to promote the health and social issue, which have some different issue to show us, which capture our attention in some another ways. Advertising technique can be used to create awareness. It help to create awareness among the people and motivate them to take a necessary precaution. Social advertising has benefit many public awareness program, like importance of the mother's milk for the baby, method of making baby food at home with the grain and pulses, need of the hygienic education, respect for traffic rules, etc. The Indian government has successfully protected the public interest by banning the advertisement of tobacco, alcohol on radio, television and newspaper. So advertisement is also used by many other organizations that are not selling a product or a service but want to inform the public about their objective, achievements and the project, that we call a social public service advertising. So there are some examples like Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, which create awareness among the people about the education, or the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, or the Save Girl Child, or Beti Bachao Beti Padhao, or about the polio drops. So these are some advertisements which also help to create the awareness and motivate the people about their society, or create attention about the social issues regarding the society. So now what is the effect of advertisement in our daily life? So advertisement play a big role in our life. Many times we not only buy the product based on them, but often having certain brand product which influence the way in which we think ourselves. Advertising through TV program and newspaper enable us to afford a luxuries, because without advertising they would be very expensive. Media get most of its revenue from publicity and hence try to make their medium a popular place for communicating advertising advertisements to the people before any information or entertainment program. So there are not only the positive but the negative effect also advertisement on our daily life. Like advertisement, let's read about the positive effect. Advertisement draw our attention to the various products available in the market. Many social advertisement create awareness among the people and motivate them to take the necessary precautions. Then negative effects are also there, that sometimes people buy the product or the things that they do not need, hence it lead to the waste expenditure, it just the wastage of the money. And then another hand, another problem is that some advertisement misleading promises like height increasing or immediate weight loss. It means that some advertising give us a fake promises that are harmful for us. So government law must protect the interest of the consumer. Many companies distribute sample of their product, the cost of the customer to hook them the product. Advertising has become a market of its own and it offer a large number of jobs along with the providing information to the people. So advertisement has not only the positive but the negative effect too. So that's it. Today we will discuss only this one. The rest of the chapter we will in the next video. So thank you and have a good day to all of you.